Welcome back everyone. This is going to be part 10 of our chatbot building tutorial series where I teach you how to build your own custom chatbots without the need for code. If this happens to be the first video you've stumbled upon, a link to the entire playlist is in the description so you can check the other parts of the tutorial out. In part 9, I've shown you how to use this feature called cards. What cards allow you to do is to show an image and then add a title, add a description, and add as many buttons as you need to. This allows for your responses to be more visually engaging, especially when it really needs to be, like showing products. Or in this example, I'm showing off 3 real estate properties. But simply having it set up this way presents another problem. So let us run this. As you can see, having it set up this way will just present the user with card after card after card. Luckily, we only have 3, but if you're going to show 5 properties, 10 properties, that's going to start to become a problem and very hard to navigate. The way you resolve this problem is by using another feature called carousel. What a carousel simply is it a feature that allows you to show multiple cards in a slide, in a very easy to navigate slide. The way you add a carousel is simply go to talk, and then at the bottom here, you're going to have an option for a carousel. So let's drag that over here, and it's the exact same thing as setting up with cards. So let's replicate this one. Let's add the title. Let's just use property 1. And then for the description, let's use the address. And then for the button, we're gonna say view details. Then add another one called contact your realtor. Now, unlike the way you set up cards, you don't go to talk and then add another carousel to add cards. So what you want to do is at the bottom here, you have an option to add cards, as many as you need to. Let's click add card, and I'm just going to jump to setting up the rest of the cards we have here. So I've finished setting up the rest of the cards, and looking at them side by side, you can see the difference. Here you have 3 separate cards, and here the 3 cards are inside one carousel. Now, how would this look like? So let's run this one, and there you go. The cards will be presented in a sideways moving slide, and this is going to be a much better way to present your user with multiple cards. Here I've set up another quick example for another use case. Say you're trying to sell used cars, for example. So here we have an F-150, a Mini Cooper, and a Honda. So let's try running this one. And there we go, same thing. It's presented in a sideways moving carousel. It's just a much better way, much cleaner way of showing multiple cards. And that's it for part 10 of this tutorial series. Another quick one, but another important feature you can start using. So instead of presenting 5 cards in a sequence, you put them inside a carousel so they're presented better. If you found this one helpful and the entire series helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials coming your way. Again, thank you for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next one.